Hi to all of you. I'm Marla, and I am your hostess for this video. This week highlights embroidery, and we had some large orders, but they were of the same designs, so we don't have too many different pieces to show you. And you can probably tell that I'm trying to stretch this out to make the video seem longer. But enough of that, let's get moving. This jacket has a girl's name embroidered over the heart. The camel crown logo above the name already was on the jacket. On the back, we embroidered the name of the horsemanship event that the girl participated in. This is a polo that was embroidered for the cleaning staff of Harbour Inn, at Ottawa's Heritage Harbour. This shirt has the logo of the Chrysalis Group, embroidered left front, and a quarter-zip jacket also was decorated with the same logo. Well, there you have it. Not a lot of different pieces, but still a week's worth of work. Thanks for watching, we really appreciate you. Take care until next time.